Shehzad Poonawala, political activist who speaks in support of the Congress, is with us live. Also, Preeti Menon of the Aam Aadmi Party is with us. Shehzad, clarity finally after many days of speculation about, the nature of Rahul Gandhi's responsibilities. I just read out for our viewers what Ajay Makan, just tweeted a couple of minutes ago. I just want to read out that again. Rahul ji to lead 2014 poll campaign for Congress, also reiterated that he is willing to shoulder any responsibility the party would want him to. Shehzad, but the party wanted him to be the prime ministerial nominee, so isn't that a contradiction?
The party wants him to become the Prime Minister of India. The party does not just want him to be the prime ministerial candidate, we want him eventually to become Prime Minister of India.
So you're saying that doesn't matter then? It's just nomenclature.
No, give me a moment.
Yeah.
We are not in the American presidential style of elections, first of all. Our constitution clearly says that the legislators, after being elected, select the prime ministerial candidate from amongst themselves. This is how it has always been done. This is the Congress party's tradition as well. We follow the constitution. Every Congress worker and every Congress leader wants Rahul Gandhi, not just the Congress people, but the entire country wants Rahul Gandhi to become the prime minister. And in due course of time, as Sonia ji has said, as other leaders have said, he will become the prime minister. I don't know why there was no clarity. As far as a party responsibility is concerned, tomorrow we have a session. In the past, we have Rahul ji has become the vice president of the party. He has now been given the responsibility of running the campaign. I think that's something that is welcome, and that is showing that he will lead from the front. And in the past also, he's taken responsibility. In the last interview to Dainik Bhaskar also, he said that he will shoulder all the responsibility that comes his way. And I think
But Shehzad, there appears to have been a lot of, intrigue about this decision. If there was speculation, the Congress could have come out a few days ago and said there's no question of naming Rahul Gandhi the prime ministerial nominee. It's not our tradition. Why did it have to come today?
The reason why it had to come today was because there is something called the Congress Working Committee. The Congress Working Committee is the highest decision-making body of the Congress party. All decisions, right or wrong, are taken by the CWC. We are an organization which has certain rules. We don't function in anarchy like the Aam Aadmi Party. We take these decisions during the due course of time. In the meanwhile, if you want to have a television debate or a drawing room debate, we can't prevent that. However, our leaders, including Mr. Digvijay Singh, had said that such a thing is rarely done by the Congress party, where they will announce a PM candidate. And I think the clarity was there, but it was for you to speculate and everyone else to
Preeti Menon, I want to bring you in. What do you think about this? I mean, there was a huge amount of, tu meh, is it going to happen? Is it not going to happen? Enigma, mystery, what will be the nature of the decision as far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned? Are they confident to, go ahead and name him? And finally, as Headlines Today first reported to our viewers, early yesterday, that it was going to be a bit of an anti-climax, and it's, he's going to be the face of the campaign, but he's not going to be a prime ministerial nominee. How are you reading this, Preeti?
I think that this shows that the Congress is clearly not confident about how they are going to tackle Lok Sabha 2014. They've obviously they see a debacle that is really staring.
Shehzad, 1 second. Shehzad, let her finish her point.
Party's candidate. I want to know right now from Preeti Menon.
Shehzad, let Preeti. Shehzad, she didn't interrupt you. Let Preeti finish her point, and then I'll come back to you.
These points have no meaning.
Let her complete her point. Be that as it may, let her complete her point, and I'll come back to you. Preeti, go ahead.
Then why don't you just shut off all the television channels and just start a Congress channel which has only your meaning that is broadcast?
No. The reason why we don't want to do that is because all the television channels are busy covering your raids at night.
I don't want to. No.
They go to raids at night and
we're talking about the Rahul Gandhi guys.
So they can keep talking about you. We don't want to
I'm not going to allow this discussion to be hijacked.
I sleep happy.
Yeah. Shehzad, just bear with me for a moment, please. Preeti, please finish your point.
Is out there raiding the city roads.
Not making policy,
I'm saying I sleep just as a takeaway from what he said.
Okay, Preeti and Shehzad, I'm going to have to cut out of this discussion if we don't stick to the subject.
Are jaunting abroad.
This is not the subject. We're not talking about the raids. We will come to that at a later stage. We're talking strictly only about Rahul Gandhi at this time. Preeti, finish your point, and then I'll go back to Shehzad about, you were talking about this displaying a lack of confidence. Shehzad, hold your peace. Let Preeti finish. I'll come back to you.
Sure.
Yes, I think what the common man really sees clearly is that the Congress is staring at defeat. They've realized that today there is so much ire against so many years of dynastic rule that they are not able to pronounce what Shehzad and many other are openly saying, that Rahul is king. He is, ready to be crowned. He's our prince. He is the one who we all want. So what they all speak, they are not officially able to state it because they realize that there is such a lot of ire against the dynastic politics. I mean, for them to even for a moment think that there is a CWC and we believe it, that it works separate of what the Ala Command, the High Command does, is something that nobody is naive enough to believe. Yes, Rahul Gandhi is their prime ministerial candidate, but that is only provided they win. And then since they see no chances of that happening, it obviously makes political sense for his career not to have him announced as a prime ministerial candidate. That's all that it is about.
Shehzad, just one sec. Shehzad, just allow me to come in for a moment here. Shehzad. Before, I know what you want to do is turn this around on the Aam Aadmi Party, which you're welcome to do, and I'm going to allow you to say what you like. But take the substance of what Preeti has said about the lack of confidence. It appears to be a perception that Rahul Gandhi is being protected. There is a lack of confidence in his abilities, and therefore the Congress doesn't want to expose him to what it believes could be an embarrassing rout in the elections in 2014.
If that is the point, then why would we make him the campaign committee chief? Campaign committee chief.
What is the alternative?
Shiv, 1 second. If it was the question of protecting him, then we would have said, let's not make him campaign committee chief, irrespective of what happens in the polls. We will put somebody else as a face, and we will say that that person is responsible for whatever electoral law.
But this is a safe play, Shehzad. It's a safe play.
No, it's not. In politics, nothing is safe. In politics, there is a risk in everything you do, and our leader has taken an informed decision. Now, let me come to a larger point. The Aam Aadmi Party itself has not declared a prime ministerial candidate, yet they expect the other parties to do so. The Aam Aadmi Party perhaps doesn't know the lack of constitutional and legal knowledge is exhibited by their ministers who are raiding people illegally by the fact that Constitution says that after the elections are over, once you have won the elections and you have the majority, then you can announce a prime ministerial candidate and elect one. But I can't expect this from people who indulge in vigilantism because they think that's their idea of cleaning up corruption in this country. And as far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, each party is entitled to take its own decision. If you think we have taken a decision for whatever reasons, that is our decision and the people will decide on it. Why don't you nominate Arvind Kejriwal as your PM candidate? Of course you won't do it. The reason is that it's very clear from the performance of the last few days that you don't even deserve to be in power.
We hear at headlines today.
I don't have to say it, their own MLAs are saying it.
You know, there are lots of perceptions, and I can tell you that we here at headlines today have, over the last few days, been exposing a lot of things about the Aam Aadmi Party. We don't have politics here on this channel, but Preeti, there are assertions being made about the Aam Aadmi Party right now, saying that, you know, who are you to point a finger at Rahul Gandhi? Who are you to cast aspersions on decisions being taken inside the Congress party at this time? And some of those accusations and allegations, you know, perhaps hold water, especially given the, you know, events of the last few days.
See, anything that happens in the political space is open to public debate. So whether Rahul Gandhi is appointed as a prime ministerial candidate or not is a matter of public debate, and therefore we are debating it. We are not saying that they should name him as the prime ministerial candidate. We are not saying any party should name anybody as a prime ministerial candidate.
Who's been indicted by a court for tampering evidence. You say that the court is wrong.
I don't know why you're screaming like a banshee.
You say court is wrong.
Can one
you are
complete
saying
what
about
one is
debate
saying?
about Rahul Gandhi.
Shehzad, let her finish her point. Let her finish her point.
This is double standards. When we debate about Somnath Bharti interfering in the process of law, which has been indicted by a court, you say that Arvind Kejriwal comes out and says court is wrong. That is your level of debate. And you tell us that we should debate about Rahul Gandhi. No, you should debate first about Somnath Bharti's illegal tampering.
Preeti, go ahead, finish your point.
Yes, I'd like to say is that it has been very clear with Congress and with the BJP that they always root a prime ministerial candidate. They always have a leader whom behind the parties rally. This is the way they've been functioning in politics. That's the way they do it, and that's fine with it. We are not even saying whether it's right or wrong. That's the way they do it. That they have fought shy of either it is taking on Modi head on, or even entertaining Aam Aadmi Party if they wish to believe that it is not important. Their own leader Rahul Gandhi says there's a lot to learn from Aam Aadmi Party, but he can say what he wishes. Is something which is obvious for the whole country to see that they're fighting shy of it. They're not confident, but that's another issue. Coming to Aam Aadmi Party, no, we do not have a prime ministerial candidate, And yes, we are going to contest Lok Sabha, and yes, we will choose a prime ministerial candidate from our elected MPs as we go ahead. But coming to Somnath Bharti, I want to finish my point on Somnath Bharti since you asked me.
Preeti, tell me. Before this, Preeti, tell me that.
Why don't you just do a monologue?
No, I'll do your ministers have four press conferences in a day. I think you all get enough TV time. Let us also have some time. Now answer my question, Preeti. You will, in your due course of time, you will may or may not appoint a prime ministerial candidate. That is your prerogative. We follow the constitution and we say that we will not appoint one before we have won an election. What is your problem in this? I don't understand what you have. What is the problem if we follow the constitution?
The both of you have made points about this. Preeti, 15 seconds reply, and then I'm wrapping this up. I'm moving to the next point.
You have had a dynastic family being part of the prime ministers, only coming from the dynastic family, and you really think that you want to
last 25 years there has not been a Gandhi
in a political
degenerating.
For 25 years there has not been a Gandhi in the ministry.
Preeti and Shehzad, I'm coming now.